Sister Friends, and welcome to Born to Be Zesty. If you're new here, my name is Tori, and my YouTube channel is a celebration of self-care through fashion, beauty, and lifestyle, primarily for the fierce and fabulous over 40, but all are welcome to enjoy the zesty flavors. I also share my passions for food, fitness, and home decor. On this channel, I unapologetically pour into self so that I can be at my best to pour into others. If that sounds like your vibe, be sure to like, share, comment, and subscribe. So today I'm back with a follow-up video on Besque Magic Luxury Body Oil. So I shared this product with you guys a couple of weeks ago. I had started using it as a way to really pamper and nourish my skin. It's incredibly hot here in Texas, with maintaining my skin's moisture barrier, hydrating the skin, and trying to ensure that my skin is properly nourished during this extreme heat. Of course, as a mature woman, our skin has different needs, and I do everything I can to make sure that I'm taking great care of my skin. It's your body's largest organ and protects you from a number of environmental harms. And of course, who doesn't want smooth, toned, radiant, and glowing skin? So let's talk a little bit about all the ways that Besque nourishes, hydrates, and smooths the skin. It's made with 7 cold-pressed natural oil, and I love that Besque is vegan and cruelty-free, and it's 100% natural. All of the ingredients are pure, unrefined, and ethically sourced. The sweet almond oil smooths and deeply hydrates. Evening primrose firms and increases elasticity. The rose hip regenerates and plumps skin. Vitamin E provides protection from sunlight. Geranium to tighten and revitalize. Lavender calms inflammation while promoting healing. And patchouli boosts natural collagen production and smooth skin. So it's filled with a number of ingredients that are meant to tighten, smooth, tone, plump, and revitalize skin. Besque is perfect for use on your bum, your tummy, your thighs, and your underarms. But it is absolutely suitable for all over body use. I use it every day as soon as I get out of the shower. I like to apply it while my skin is still somewhat damp, so it really works to boost and lock in the moisture and hydration. My skin feels incredibly soft and smooth. I can definitely see improvement in the stretch marks on my hips as well as on the back of my calves, as well as less dimpling in my thighs and butt, and I call that an absolute win. Now, I'm someone who really enjoys a wide range of fragrances, but Besque is available in an unscented version as well. And it really gives me that pampered feeling when I have that spa experience and they do all of those luxurious body oils right before giving you a massage. And at the end of the day, my skin still feels super smooth, hydrated, no dry, cracked, rough skin. My skin looks revitalized, and having healthy, beautiful skin is really the overall desired effect. I like to show my legs, so having smooth, toned, and blemish-free skin boosts my self-confidence, and that beautiful, radiant glow has me looking like a bronzed goddess. When I use Besque Magic Luxury Body Oil, it makes me feel like I'm doing something very special for my skin, giving myself that moment of pampering that I absolutely deserve, flowing fully into my soft girl era, and I am fully here for it. Give Besque Magic Luxury Body Oil a try to plump, revitalize, hydrate, tighten, and tone skin on your bum, your tummy, your thighs, and your underarms. It works to improve the appearance of stretch marks and blemishes while having your own private pampering spa experience.